Hi, I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. So, welcome to the 15th episode of our Play daily review. And of course, for today, the counters that we're going to discuss with you is the Netflix and also the KE. Alright. So, before we proceed, I would like to let you know that in this video, we will be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. So if you know how to read the chart, it will tell you a lot of hidden messages. Alright. So if you haven't watched our previous analysis on the square and also the C limited, so feel free to click into our channel for our last episode video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next video. Alright. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the chart. Okay, so before getting to the chart, let us take a look on the chart of Dow Jones right now. All right, for now is 6:30 the evening in the United States, so the market is closed. So as you can see, the performance for today is for me is at least acceptable. Yeah, so it's at least there's some rebound signal, as you can see, although it's not a very obvious one. Yeah, because if this rebound able to close above the opening of yesterday level, then would be a lot better. Yeah, but then it failed to sustain above, but then yeah, at least it shows some sign of um stop dropping. Yeah, because as you can see, this is the second line of the support. Yeah, so it's as it reach this area, and then if you can see the rebound for in today. But then the 1 day of the rebound size is doesn't actually carries a lot of meaning, because you still need to break the previous support, which is currently the resistance, and of course it will need to break the moving average as well in order to perform a successful rebound. All right. So for now, we will be excuse me. Yeah, so for now, we require a lot of strong buying momentum in order to push the indices, because you can see that if the momentum is not strong enough, then the selling pressure above is actually quite intense. Yeah, so of course all of this will be mainly depending on the updates of the new variant of coronavirus, which is called Omicron right now. Yeah, so the market is actually pretty much await for the latest updates of this new variant. Yeah, so maybe when in 1 or 2 weeks time we may see some news on the Omicron, then you can see a clearer directions of the overall market. All right. Okay, so this is a brief update on Dow Jones. Next, we take a look at the chart of NASDAQ as well. Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, the chart of NASDAQ is actually much stronger than the chart of Dow Jones. Yeah, because as you can see, Dow Jones, it has actually breaks all the moving average and the support. Yeah, but then as you can see in the chart of NASDAQ, it's still able to sustain above the moving average support. Yeah, so um, however, I would say the technology sector, the NASDAQ, there is still something that you need to take note. Yeah, although it is much stronger. Yeah, it's true. But then the things that you need to take note over here is, can you see the directions of the moving average line? Yeah, you can see the line of moving average is actually started to heading downwards. Yeah, it started heading downwards, which means that it could be the sign of reversal. All right, it could be the sign of reversal, and at here, yeah, make it a circle here. All right, so here you can see some sign of topish. Yeah, it's a bearish reversal signal. So whether this would be the recent top, for now seems to be, yeah, seems to be, because as you can see, it's making a correction over here. So if in the index of Nasdaq, they try to make a rebound. If in next few days it can't stand above the moving average 10, or it can't break the this level of resistance, yeah, around 16420. If it can't break the resistance, then it actually seems to be some trend reversal going to happen over here. Yeah, so once when the moving average is actually performed a death cross, then will be confirmed to be a trend reversal. Then for my friends, my audience, if you're holding some technology counters, yeah, so you might facing some corrections. So that's the thing that you need to take note. Yeah, follow a trading plan. Yeah, and you might need to take profit or either cut loss accordingly. Yeah, so then don't get yourself trapped inside. All right. Okay, so this is a brief analysis on the part of Dow Jones and also the index of NASDAQ. All right. So next, let us get into the first counter for today, which is our favorite brands. Yeah, Netflix. We watch a lot on Netflix, right? Including the recent Squid Game. Yeah. So okay, but then every one of us love Netflix, but then the chart doesn't seem to be good right now because what I can see is over here. Yeah, I'm not sure whether can you see it over here. Can you see the death cross? Yeah, which means there is already a strong signal of the trend reversal. Yeah, the first is the death cross of moving average. The second one is the candle. Yeah, you can see the yesterday candle has actually breaks the support of MA50, and for today's candle it actually failed to make a rebound. Yeah, so this is most probably to be the trend reversal already. Yeah, because as you can see on the previous uptrend since the month of August, the share price has been on the nice uptrend and is always supported on the MA25. Yeah, for some corrections over here. There's one time over here, second time, this is the third time. Yeah, but then this round, the share price has actually breaks the support of MA25 and the MA50 as well. So this most probably to be confirmed as the signal of trend reversal. Alright. What I mean by trend reversal is the trend has changed from the uptrend to a downtrend. Alright. So first my friends who if you're holding Netflix, yeah, so this would be a very important signal that you need to take note. Yeah. If you're having a good profit over here, if I'm you, so most probably I will be at least taking a partial profit right now, yeah, in order to secure my profit. So and then I will monitor whether it will be form a downtrend or it will try to make a rebound, yeah, but then I will still take a partial profit in order to protect my paper gain. All right, so this is a very obvious, I mean, trend reversal signal, yeah, so please don't ignore this signal. If not, um how low it will goes, of course I can't answer you for that questions. Yeah, so that's the thing that the signal that the chart already show us, so please don't ignore it as I said. All right, so next, after the chart of Netflix, we go to the second counter for today, which is KE. Yeah, Kimball Electronics. Yeah, so okay, for the chart of Kimball Electronics, I'm not sure if you have traded this counter, but can you see that the chart is actually I mean, a type of chart that is actually highly manipulated, yeah, because you can see since the month of August, they have pumped all the way, yeah, in a very seems to be a smooth and steady uptrend, yeah, to the high from the price of $20, yeah, pump as high as $30. Yeah, so it's already a 50% gain over here within less than 3 months time. Yeah, but then over here, yeah, a very obvious a pump and dump theory. Yeah, they pump into the price of $30 and they start to dump and take profit and they want to get out. Yeah, so in case the obvious trend reversal signal over here and it goes all the way down. Yeah, so I'm going to share with you some mentality in this kind of trading. All right. So for example, if you're holding this counter, yeah, whatever the price you get in on oh, along with this uptrend. So if you're holding this kind of stock, you need to monitor, I mean, the characteristics of this counter. Yeah. For this counter, you can see that the price has been supported well on MA10. Am I right? Yeah. So this MA10 has now becomes a very important support for this counter. Yeah. So once the time that you notice that the share price is actually breaks the support of MA10, you will need to do something. Yeah. At least if I'm you, I will at least take a partial profit because the supports that have been supported well on the past 3 months has now broken, which is over here. Yeah. So as you can see, this this day, yeah, the 8th of November, it has break support, and then second day it has failed to rebound. Yeah, which means this is a confirmation of a trend reversal. Yeah, maybe you will say like on this day I have no idea that the price would go went so low. Yeah, maybe I thought there will be some rebound or the correction. Yeah, so of course there's no right and wrong because there's all a guess game. Yeah, we are all guessing, we are all trying to predict, we are trying to forecast. But then you can see the strategy is once you see the price has started to lose support, you will need to do something in order to protect your paper gain. Yeah, at least at this day, the 8th and 9th of November, you will need to at least take a partial profit because the the reason of this action is the price has breaks the support for the past 3 months. Yeah, so this will be the reason to sell your holdings. All right, in order to protect your paper gain, as I said. Yeah, if not, if you're waiting for some rebound or some anything you said it, anything you call it, but then you can see the price has now back to the price of around $21. Yeah, so along the way, if you're buying from here and you hold it along the way from August to December, then you will see it backs to zero. Yeah, you earn nothing. Of course, you did lose, but you earn nothing. Yeah, so this there will be some mentality of trading here. Yeah, so this shows how important the application of the support is. Yeah, so here's my some sharing on the strategy to you. So I hope you learned something from it. All right. Okay, yep. So these are the two counters that I'm going to share with you today. The first is the Netflix, and the second is Kimball Electronics. Yep. So I hope you learned something on the part of technical analysis and also some trading strategy. Yeah. So if you have any counters that you want us to do some analysis for you, feel free to comment in our comment box. Yeah, and of course, if you like our content, don't forget to hit the like and share button. Yeah, and of course, lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next stock analysis, which will be updated daily. All right. So thank you for watching. I'm TA Buplay, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Goodbye.